emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located near Salineville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Salineville, East Liverpool. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 or posting to our Facebook or Twitter sites. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana County, Ohio.
A special